Crude oil and natural gas today traded with moderate bullishness or rather sideways, I can say. We have seen oil struggling to stay above 67 so far, while natural gas has moved all the way now towards 3.47. So, what to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Are we looking forward to bulls? Are we looking forward to a rise here in the prices? Are we looking forward to for oil to move towards 68? Or the higher than we should wait for a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates for oil and gas with detailed analysis and levels where you can take a trade and trade with profits. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the early charts. Earlier we have mentioned 66.5 is it has offered a good support and the selling entry was mentioned only towards 66.4, below which you can expect it to move towards 66 or lower levels. What has happened? Prices have taken a good support from 66.5 itself and now trying to bounce back. Now it is pretty important for oil to trade beyond 67, 67.3 and 67.6. Beyond this, 68 is a must, and this is what I have been chasing. I have mentioned this several times in my last previous updates. Moving averages are divergent, stochastic rising. The MACD here interestingly has crossed over for a selling trade, but this is a little retracement. Possibly a crossover here may mean a reversal. The RSI is comfortably placed. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour chart, see the moving averages have crossed over after a long time, and these are trading bullish. Now the 20 period is offering it a very good support, and that is why I say as long as 66.4, 66 zone is not taken, we should not be treating oil as bearish for the day. What has happened after a retracement? It has shown a good pullback and now waiting for the second breakout. So once it trades beyond 67, you can initiate a buy. Expect 67.3, 67.6. Specifically, it has to breach 68 in order to confirm further bullishness today. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is placed comfortably. Look at the 3 hour charts. See, after consolidation here, we have seen a rise, then a retracement, again a rise. So, also notice it has a scope for retracement all the way towards 65.5, 65 zone. But it is not showing much weakness today. It is possible that it can deliver a breakout. However, we have to wait for 67.6 to be taken in order to confirm the breakout today. The stochastic is starting to rise. The MACD trading with moderate bullishness here, and the RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts, the moving averages have started to cross over. Very good sign for the bulls. This confirms that possibly the next few candles it might trade in green, and it increases the possibility of a move towards 68 now. And beyond 68, this time we can see good bullish momentum. This might take it towards 69.3, $70 zone very soon. Let's wait for a breakout today. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading with moderate bullishness and looking upwards consistently. The RSI placed flat. Coming to the daily. Now see here on the daily charts, this is the support it has created. I have shared this several times in my last few updates that this is the zone from where we have seen the rise towards 78. It has come down towards the same zone. The liquidity gap is filled and now it has consolidated. It has formed a very good base at 64, 63.6. I have mentioned as long as these levels are respected, you should not be treating oil as bearish. What has happened since then? The rise, the retracement, the second round of rise is in place. If you connect it here, higher highs means it has the potential towards 68. And today is the day where it might move towards 68. Now notice beyond 68 is where you can expect increasing bullishness here. Yes, beyond 68 this might head towards 70 or 72 possibly very soon. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is here bearish, trying to cross over for buy. RSI flat. So now considering this, see first of all how easily under few minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and arrived at the levels. You can also learn this art of trading where you can find out the levels at which you should take a trade and trade with profits. So you can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch starts in a couple of weeks, middle of July. Be a part of it. Join the learning journey and enjoy your profits throughout the life. Or you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals also you can benefit. Write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. The contact details are shared in the channel and video description. And if you're just looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe and zero commissions, you can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. So first is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy if you see oil now trading above 67 levels itself, and it is right now positioned very close to it. So if you see it is staying above 67, you can buy, expect 67 point, then 67.6, and then 68 as the next target. A move beyond 68 is a very good indication for a possible move towards 70 very, very soon. Possibly tomorrow with the inventory data. Yes, but I'll say you have to be cautious as long as 68 is not taken. So yes, you can buy at 67. Be careful for 67.3, 67.6, and 68. The next target beyond 68, we are looking forward to a greater rise. 68.6, 69.3, and $70 are the three targets it has to breach. Beyond 78, 72.4 very, very soon. On the downside, I will now recommend you to sell only at 66.4 levels. Expect 66, 65, and then below 65, 64. Chances for such a sharp reversal appears very less, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. And hence, below 66.4 today, you can take a sell, expect 66 as a very good support, and below 66 is where more bearishness should prevail. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly charts after retracing found a good support from 3.4, and now it is trying to rise. I will wait for it to stay beyond 3.5. 3.5 is the level which is going to offer a very good resistance for natural gas. Beyond 3.5, we can expect a good move all the way towards 3.55 and then 3.6. Till 3.6, natural gas has got greater resistances on the upside. And see, right now it is finding the moving averages are crossing over here, and it has found a good base at 3.4. So you have to be watchful here. The stock has taken overbought, the MACD rising here, trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is placed comfortably. Right now it is suggestive of slight bearishness here. Look at 2 hour chart, similar observation, the rise, retracement, support from 20 period, a good bounce back. If you see it is staying now beyond 3.48, 3.5, stay bullish for 3.55 and 3.6. And now any point of time, natural gas trading beyond 3.6, that's a very, very good indication for the next move towards 3.72 and 3.8 levels possible. Right now I can see a struggle here, but notice, see the drop here, then the retracement, the drop here, then the retracement drop. See, the bearishness is getting decreased here. So this increases the possibility of a bounce back. This increases the possibility of a rise here. And hence, once it trades beyond 3.8, you can expect a near-term stronger bullish move towards 4.2 again. The stochastic is starting to rise, the MACD rising, the RSI is the one which is right now trading with moderate bearishness. But once it breaches out beyond 3.5, you can expect a good rise here. Now see, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Now 3.4 is the base, it needs to breach below 3.4. That is, the higher price has to be below 3.4 in order to confirm the bearishness today. The price is right now positioned beautifully between the 20 and 50 period moving average here. The stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is placed comfortably. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Notice the rise, the consolidation, the breakout here, and once it trades now beyond 3.5, we can expect more bullishness towards 3.55, 3.6, and breaking beyond 3.6, it's a reversal. And thus we have to be extremely cautious as long as 3.6 is not taken today, and then the next milestone is going to be all the way towards 3.8 very, very soon. The stochastic rising, the MACD also rising after the crossover, looking upward, suggestive of more bullishness. The RSI placed comfortably here. Coming to the daily, now on the daily charts, the crossover here is on the sell side. What is happening since then? See, lower highs and lower lows are seen, staying in the box, drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement. Let it break here, let it break now beyond 3.5. 3.5 is getting critical now, and then 3.55, 3.6 should arrive. Beyond 3.6, we can expect more bullishness. The crossover here right now is on the sell side, and as long as now 3.8 is not taken, you have to be careful for the weekly charts, on the weekly basis, but for the day it is 3.6, which it should breach in order to confirm the bullishness. The stochastic is rising, the MACD has seen a retracement waiting for it to cross over. The RSI is showing an up move. So looking at this, very simple. You can buy at 3.48, 3.5 levels. When you see the lower price above 3.48, 3.5, stay bullish for 3.55, 3.6. As the next targets beyond 3.6, it is going to stay bullish. And then we are looking at 3.7, 3.72 very, very soon, if not today, and then 3.8 as the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3.4 levels only. Once you see net gets trading below 3.4, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 3.36, 3.3. Any move below 3.3 is a clear indication for a greater correction towards 3.2 and $3 zone. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Thank you.